So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. How are you guys? Your Chef here again with another video. Today, you and we gonna make a Chops Masala Curry together, right? And it will be very nice and very delicious. If you miss any ingredient, you can go back to my video and follow the recipe again. So shall we start now? Okay guys, I'm gonna put oil in there, and I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil you want to. But I prefer olive oil in cooking. Now the oil is ready, so now I'm gonna put some of the chops in there. First I'm gonna fry the chops. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put I got this 2 spoons of ginger paste and 1 spoon of garlic paste. I'm gonna mix this in there. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of garam masala, and I'm going to fry this in these 2 spices. Now I got this onion. I already I got this 2 onions. It's already grounded before, so I'm gonna put this onion in there. The 2 about medium-sized onion I'm using. And I'm gonna leave this to cook until it's get properly fried. Okay guys, now I'm gonna put salt in there. It's about 1.5 spoon salt. So you can use salt according to your taste, but it's better Okay guys, now I'm gonna put these tomatoes. Already blind these tomatoes, so This is about 400 gram. Now I'm gonna add other spices in there. Maybe 1 spoon is cumin powder. 1 spoon is degi mirch. Half spoon is red chili. Is about 1 spoon red chili flakes and 1 spoon of coriander powder. And I'm gonna leave it to cook about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix lemon in there. I'm using whole lemon, yeah. And I'm gonna put some oil as well. And I'm gonna leave it on a medium heat to cook. Okay guys, it's nearly done. I'm gonna put some coriander in there. I'm gonna some chili or green chili, whole green chili, yeah. And it's gonna take another 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is Chops Masala Curry is ready. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it on a dish. Okay guys, this is my Chops Masala Curry is ready. So what do you think about it? It's very nice and delicious, really, very tasty, and the smell is very good. And let me know in comment section what you think about it, and try to make it as well. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in comment, so I will be happy to give you answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.